made it to Rajasthan. We're in Jaipur now. So we're first stop is the Monkey Temple. And I actually got a guide for this trip. He's right here. So he's taking me right up the way. I gave him 50 rupees. I thought it was a little bit steep price, but he seems to know where we're going, so pretty good. Oh, wait, he's stopping. He found a friend. Oh, all right. So yeah, we're here. I've already seen, we got to Jaipur, already seen camel and elephant, 2 different types of monkeys, dogs, pigs, what else?
Did you, deer, peacocks?
Oh, deer and peacocks, yeah. So this is the outside of the temple. I can already see it's crawling with monkeys. So,
no smiling around the monkeys.
no smiling. I'll let you know how it is. Just some Rajasthani monkeys shitting all over a truck. Eating on it, shitting on it. They're having a good time though, and we love them for it. So that's a monkey temple in a nutshell. Look at this little baby. Yeah, you guys are cool. We love you. You just got to give them respect. Respect the animals. You don't want to get too close to them because these things are very strong and very tricky, and they'll grab stuff off of you. So if you come out here, be wary. Oh, but these are Hindi monkeys, so they're pretty chill. So I replied to this Craigslist ad, and I'm trying to get a new pickup. And I'm out here in Rajasthan, Jaipur, very beautiful. And I went to meet the guy, and this is the vehicle he wants to sell me. It's a 407 pickup. It's pretty nice. Comes with all the luxury parts. You got 4-wheel drive. It's got leather interior. It is a manual though, so that's a bit of a step, saying that it's easy to drive. But I mean, overall, it's in good condition, good working window wipers, and you know, probably use a tint and some bananas. There's monkeys everywhere. I think you can go in any one of these that you want. So I'm just gonna film this whole experience. Hopefully, I'm actually gonna tuck my chain in because that monkey's about to jump. Where we at, Jackie?
At the monkey temple.
Is there monkeys here?
There's monkeys everywhere.
Is there? I didn't see any monkeys. Did you see any? I'm still looking. I mean, quite a few. There's some big ones, small ones. There's mothers. There's babies. Oh, fuck me. Update from the monkey temple. All hell's breaking loose. The monkeys are now charging down the hill at high speeds with babies. And then there's these kind too. These ones are really cute. Really cool. Very cool. Mother. That's the biggest monkey I've ever seen. Obviously you can tell I'm a little bit scared. This is the guy that feeds them. I'm running away from his ass. This is a monkey fest. What do you think, Jackie?
I think this is the most monkeys that we've ever seen in one place, and we've seen a lot of monkeys.
Namaskar, bye. That was like a goddamn horse. This one is so cute. You can get a picture of him with the background, it'd be cool. Namaskar, bye, Sab.
Namaskar.
Oh. You got like a belt or something? Just be careful, I'm watching your back. I still got the camera out, I'm so fucking scared. It's a gentleman and a scholar.